leaf. 20 surprising health benefits of guava leaves for you. Guava leaf. Major diseases such as diabetes, obesity, high cholesterol, digestive problems, and lung disease has crippled the nation. Many of you are searching for a cheap and natural way to relieve these health crises from your bodies. Guava leaf has many ingredients that eliminates the daily suffering of these illnesses. Guava leaves heals you. It also beautifies your skin and strengthens your hair. Here are the 20 surprising health benefits of guava leaves for you. 1. Anti-aging. After living on this planet for a length of time, life's experiences begin to show externally, especially on the face. It is good to know that we can easily interrupt the aging system. Guava leaves is one way to conquer aging, because the antioxidants that is in it prevents damage to the skin. This slows down aging. 2. Skin appearance. It tones the skin and gives the skin a soft texture. Blend the guava leaves in a blender with a little water and use it as a face scrub or mask to tone the face. Also, you can boil the guava leaves to make a tea solution. Let it cool to room temperature. Now you can use a cotton ball, dip it into this solution and dab the face. 3. Skin problems. The antiseptic properties in guava leaves destroys the bacteria that causes acne and blackheads. To remove acne and blackheads quickly, crush the leaves. Then, combine it with rose water to make a paste. Put the paste on the affected areas completely, for 15 minutes every day. Cleanse the face with warm water. Repeat until you see the changes you want. This also remove fine lines and wrinkles. 4. Hair health. Guava leaves helps the hair to grow and it is an hair remedy. It is good for scalp infections. In the case of infected scalp, boil the guava leaves in plain water. Let it cool, then rinse the hair. This will treat the scalp and prevent hair loss. 5. Weight loss. Guava leaves prevent complex carbohydrates in the liver from turning into fats, sugars, and calories. It has soluble fiber which stops hunger. Guava leaves also act as an appetite suppressant. It is high in vitamin C which helps to burn fat. People with good vitamin C levels burn 30% more fat while exercising moderately, than those with poor vitamin C, and guava leaves destroys fat. You can use the fresh or dried guava leaves to make tea. Wash the leaves clean before using. Bring 350 ml of water to the boiling point. Put the leaves into the boiling water and let it boil for 10 minutes. Enjoy the tea either cold or hot. You can drink this tea 3 times a day with your heavy meals. 6. Pain relief. Dysmenorrhea or painful menstruation is a condition that affects many women. It also is an enduring pain that lasts for many years. Nationwide, most physicians have not found a solution that will bring comfort and ease to the many women who endure this continuously. According to the National Institute of Health, in a clinical study of 197 women with dysmenorrhea, a dose of 6 mg of guava leaf extract per day decreased menstrual pain, greater than over-the-counter medicines, and placebos. 7. Diabetes. This is a chronic health problem that hurts a vast amount of people, who are both young and seniors. When diabetes becomes critical, it can impact every major organ in the body. A study in 2010 shows guava leaf improves insulin resistance, and cause blood sugar to decrease. According to the journal Nutrition and Metabolism, guava leaf prevent absorption of the sugars sucrose and maltose. This process stops sugars from increasing in the body after a meal. Sucrose is regular table sugar. Sucrose is a disaccharide that has 2 monosaccharides, 1 glucose and 1 fructose. Maltose is a sugar that comes from starch such as sweet potatoes, cereals, and some starchy fruits. It is also a disaccharide, with 2 glucose molecules connected together. Guava leaf also reduce alpha-glucosidase. When we eat, enzymes break down the food into small particles of sugar. Alpha-glucosidase is one of the enzymes that break down carbohydrates. Guava leaves decrease alpha-glucosidase, which inhibits it so the carbohydrates are not broken down, and the absorption of sugars does not happen. Physicians use drugs to do this, called alpha-glucosides, but guava leaf does this naturally. 8. Cholesterol levels. Because guava leaf is high in fiber and potassium, it helps the heart and decrease bad cholesterol. 3 months of drinking guava leaf tea can reduce LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels. It does not affect the HDL, which is the good cholesterol, in any negative ways. Instead, it raises the HDL, which protects the heart. 9. Digestive system. It increases the production of digestive enzymes which breaks down the food that you eat so it is better absorbed by the body. Guava leaf has high fiber content. The action of fiber is to give the colon energy and keep the digestive tract moving. It also helps you to feel more full and keep you from getting hungry for a longer time. 10. Helps nausea, vomiting, and food poisoning. Guava leaf is very soothing to the stomach. The strong antibacterial activities in guava leaf kills the bacteria in the intestine that cause food poisoning, nausea and vomiting. Nausea and diarrhea are some of the major symptoms of food poisoning, but guava leaf control all of these problems. It makes the stomach more alkaline and prevent the growth of more microorganisms. It reduces mucus in the stomach that can bring on inflammation. Guava leaf tea is comforting to the walls of the stomach. It stops abdominal irritation. 11. Bronchitis. Guava leaves manage bronchitis by alleviating cough. It relaxes the lungs, which allow it to expand and facilitate breathing. The powerful defense ingredients in guava leaf disinfect the respiratory tract. It makes the mucus thin, so it is easily expelled from the lungs. The high vitamin C and iron in guava leaf help the immune system to build a defense against microbial activities. Bronchitis is when the bronchi in the lungs is inflamed. When it is inflamed, this creates an infection, which produces mucus that comes from the local bacteria at the infection site. Guava leaf fights this inflammation. The bronchi are the pipes oxygen used to get back and forth to the lungs. When these windpipes are blocked and filled with mucus, guava leaves has the compounds to break up and loosen this kind of mucus. 12. Dental problems. When used as a mouth rinse or gargle, it helps sore throat, toothache, and gum disease. Guava leaf can correct many health crises, and in oral health it has anti-plaque properties. The fighting and defense mechanisms in guava leaves include antimicrobial properties which kills microorganism, it is an analgesic content which relieves pain, and it is anti-inflammatory, which heals the gum and supply you with fresh breath. It is recommended, for better results, make a paste and use it orally. 13. Prostate cancer. Guava leaves help prevent enlarged prostate and prostate cancer. Around the year of 2019, 175,000 new prostate cancer clients will be discovered. In the U.S., prostate cancer kills about 30,000 men yearly. The death rate doubles for African American men. Guava leaves have high content of lycopene and flavonoid quercetin that fights cancer in the prostate, breast and oral cancer. In the Journal of Medicinal Food, written March 2012, it suggests guava leaves suppress the cancer cells that cause prostate cancer. Enlarged prostate is when the prostate grows bigger, and the medical term is benign prostatic hyperplasia, which is abbreviated BPH. High-risk diseases that leads to enlarged prostate are obesity, diabetes, heart disease, aging and a family history of it. Guava leaf aids in preventing enlarged prostate. 14. Allergies. It blocks allergy reaction by stopping the release of histamine. The quercetin in guava leaf is a natural antihistamine. Histamines are the chemicals that are made by the immune system. They are supposed to help your body fight allergies. Instead, they overreact and rush in response to something that is not harmful. For example, an overreaction to pollen is runny nose, sneezing, itching, teary eyes, and swollen face. In this case, you try to stop these miserable reactions by taking an antihistamine drug. Guava leaf suppress this histamine. 15. Sperm production. Guava leaves increase sperm production. According to the African Journal of Medicine, the ethanol extract and antioxidants in guava leaf causes a man to have better quality of sperm and more sperm. 16. Infections. It heal wounds and treat infections such as ear infection. It has antibacterial properties that prevent infections. 17. Itching. Its allergy-blocking properties stop itching. 18. Diarrhea. It kills the bacteria Staphylococcus aureus that cause diarrhea. 19. Cancer. Guava leaves fight breast, oral, and prostate cancer. 20. Brain function. It improves the function of the brain by increasing blood circulation to it. The brain is one of the most powerful organ of the body, but it seems abstract to many people. So many of us don't know how to take care of the brain or how to feed the brain. Guava leaf has vitamin B3, which is niacin, and B6. These vitamins in guava leaf increase the blood flow needed for improved cognition and strong focus. Guava leaves increase the platelets count in the blood. Platelets determine how thin or thick the blood is so it can flow easily through the blood vessels. You can give your brain a boost with guava leaf, because the high potassium it contains supports the firepower and the electrical conductivity that makes the brain works well. It also relieves stress. Please subscribe to this channel if you want to live healthy and prevent sickness. Like and share this video on all of your social platform. Leave your comment. It is important that you click the links below. If you want to get guava leaf and guava leaf extract, the links are below for your convenience. I mean, this is literally at your fingertips. Thank you for watching. Disclaimer: the material and information provided on living healthy and preventing sickness are for general and educational purposes only and are not legal, medical, or professional advice on any subject. These statements have not been evaluated by the FDA and are not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any disease. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified healthcare provider prior to starting any new diet or treatment and with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. If you have or suspect that you have a medical problem, promptly contact your healthcare provider.